guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a boot review and an unboxing of the original Dr. Martens 1460 AI Look boot. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown at our way. And I want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So let's get into it. So today we've got a look at one of the most iconic shoes, boots, well, it's a boot in modern history. And we've got a look at the 1460 AI Look boot from Dr. Martens, and we got this in a black smooth colorway in the UK size 7, it's a US size 8, and it's European 41. And look at the box, because this is the first time we're actually doing one of the original Dr. Martens shoes. We have done the neighborhood collab quite a while back, and that was, I think I didn't have a beard back then, but check that one out. It's a great review in my opinion. Neighborhood's one of our favorite brands here at Oneupreviewz, well, mine personally. It's Japanese fashion in it. And before, might as well look at the OG. So we got the Dr. Martens boot, and you can see it here, with the Dr. Martens logo on the box. And it's a lot of paper, but here it is. One of the most iconic boots ever made. Oh. So for those that don't know, this boot is called the 1460, and that's because this was made 1st of April 1960, 1460. So that's why it's called the 1460 boot. And the following year, the 1461, that is the shoe, the free outlet shoe. And both those are just staples. Everyone should have it in their cupboards, their fashion cabinets. I think that's not it. What's the word I'm looking for? Their closets, that's it, in their closets. I mean, it's the most versatile shoe ever made, in my opinion. I say that a lot of things, but I really mean it for these boots. So let's start with this outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got the original, where are you? There, original on the middle. And you can kind of see it, it's quite translucent. That's because the midsole, the sole unit, is an air cushion sole. It's there for that comfort for your underneath, the underside of your foot. Now you look at the stitching here, just above the midsole, and that's the iconic yellow stitch that Dr. Martens is famous for. You find it in a lot of their OG products, and it sticks out. You know, you see that yellow stitching, you know, oh, that's the Dr. Martens product, or in this case, it's the Dr. Martens boot. Moving along onto the upper, so it's an all leather upper, carefully stitched, well crafted, sturdy, and you're gonna get loads of people who will complain about breaking into their Dr. Martens, because it will take quite some time. If you're one of those who are quite eager and you want to wear your boots ASAP, then I suggest that you get the Black Virginia. So that's a softer leather, but this is the original leather. I much prefer it because once you break it in, it is worth the time and investment that you take. It's a bit painful as well. I'm not going to lie to you guys as well, because I had to break into the 1461 shoe. I just mentioned about the shoe, so trail back if you want to hear that little history. But essentially, because of the same materials, the same types of leather, you have to break them in. And as I mentioned, you do have to give it that time and investment, because it is worth it. Because as soon as you break them in, they're very comfy. So you've got the 8 eyelets here. That's why this boot is called the 8-eye boot. Leather tongue. Easy pull tab, so you've got airwear and with bouncing soles, so that just reflects upon the air cushioned sole unit that's found in a lot of the Dr. Martens. And the insole itself is a leather insole with the Dr. Martens logo embossed there. Now I can't wait to try these on, show you guys what they look like on the feet. So I'll roll that footage of me trying these iconic boots on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. When it comes to shoes and boots, I'm a UK size 7. Great pair. Forgive me, it's a great fit for me. Now, here it comes, the part that I dread the most to tell you. I'm not going to lie, guys, it does hurt quite tight on the upper side of my feet. My toes are where they need to be though. But the saving grace, it's so comfy. Just on the underside of my feet. Nice leather insole, you got that air cushion support, beautiful. Now, you have to dedicate your time and efforts into breaking into a pair of Dr. Martens. They'll become the most comfy boots that you'll own, and they'll be the most long lasting. Now, in order to keep it maintained, this is no product placement, this is no ads, but I recommend that you get your Wonder Balm by Dr. Martens. Just apply it if there's any blemishes, any scratches, and to keep it nice and polished, nice and crisp and clean, try and get a pair. Try and get yourself some of the Dr. Martens black shoe polish. Well, it depends on what color leather that you get. So you can get a cherry red. In this case, we need to get the black leather ones. With all that said, this is a great investment. Guys, it's one for your wardrobes, it's one for every outfit. You can wear it with anything really, well, within reason. And yeah, I'm just so glad to own a pair of these iconic Dr. Martens boots. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If anyone from Dr. Martens is watching our review, send us some boots our way. We all would love a pair of free Dr. Martens. All right, thanks guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.